and Purdue, with experience in computational biology and responsible AI. Over to you, Mr. Dev.
Hi. Good morning, everybody. Uh, First of all, I'd like to thank Anna Ma'am, Professor Bhattacharya, Preeti, if you're here, and Akshata also to sort of help us arrange this event. I think as Ma'am just mentioned, right, that she's glad that this is AI by her. The first time when I named it, I actually named it AI for her. And on the second thought, I decided no, it has to be woman-led initiatives instead of being sort of solutions that are designed just for women. Having said that, I'll just start by setting the context of what India AI mission is in large and how there are synergies all across the society who is working in AI and how we can sort of collaborate. Sorry, where do I point this? Okay. So India Mission was essentially launched in 2024 March with an outlay of 10,371 crores by the PMO. Uh, the way it was envisaged to work was under 7 pillars. If you look at the sort of diagram, we have the foundational pillars below, where AI Kosh is the actually calling it a datasets hub would be a misnomer. It's a one-stop shop where you unlock, government data, civil society data, private sector data, and high-quality AI-ready data, and sort of build it. And there's a repository for those data sets, but also models and toolkits to transform that data and work with it, and also an integrated development environment which is powered by compute for people to come and sort of develop POCs directly. Actually, I think IISc and Art Park has been valuable contributors here. We have some of their marquee data sets like the MIDAS data set, which is a medical imaging data sets on board, which is a gold standard data set developed jointly by ICMR. We also have the Vani and Respin and Cispin data set, which are multimodal sort of data set to build India-specific foundational models. So ArtPark and IISc is already playing a very important role in contribution in terms of progressing AI. And then we have the compute capacity. We had set out with a target of 10,000 GPUs to be acquired in 5 years of the mission. But in the first year, we are happy to inform that we already have HPCs of around 38,000 GPUs available to the public, subsidized at around 40 to 60% rates than sort of the market standards. At the innovation centers, we are already supporting 12 foundational models with a sizable amount of funds going to Sarvam, Socket AI, and a lot more. And in the safe and trusted AI, that is aimed at building technical tools for governance when the need for governance arises in the India market. So essentially, these 4 pillars lay the foundation for what we want to do next, which is, sort of develop the solutions in India, the application use case layer in India, in the AI application development initiative. The idea is to scale around 20